Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Blanza Realty TV. It is my 10th day dito sa Dubai. Nandito pa rin ako. At for today, I have a very special guest, Sir Tommy and Miss Grace. No? They are my client way back 2017 na nakabili sa Coast Residences. So for today's video, interviewin ko lang sila about dun sa naging investment nila with Coast Residences, and also para maging updated din yung iba nating mga investors dito sa UAE and Dubai about their mga nakuhang investments sa SMDC, particularly yung Coast Residences. Kaya guys, huwag kayong maalis, may mga konting topic lang kami i-share sa inyo. But before that, huwag nyo kakalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel. It's Blanza Realty TV. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So guys, welcome back. As earlier, kasama ko nga Sir Tommy ng Grace. Tapos nandito ako ngayon sa Mall of the Emirates. Buti nagbigay sila ng time na makapag-usap and to catch up about dun sa property na nakuha nila. Meron lang ako mga couple of questions with them about their investment na nakuha. Ano yung plan nila pag na-turn over yung property, which exactly malapit nang ma-turn over yung property. Tama ba? In a few months, no? Yung ano niya ba, yung nakuha niyo na Coast is yung balance, bank financing ba yun or ano?
Supposed to be bank finance, pero kinaga namin hulugan to.
And as cash. So actually, no, maganda guys, kapag yung mga property natin is na cash natin, dun mo natin mararamdaman yung talagang kikita yung investment mo, diba? Like yung sa wind nyo, on Grace, nakuha nyo na yan, cash na yun, diba? Cash din. So naparent mo siya daily, no? Kaya nga lang guys, yun nga, medyo tough situation ngayon. Pandemic. Stop. Pero ang kagandahan, since na-cash nyo yun, wala kayong binabayar ng monthly obligation.
Wala kang iisipin.
Ayun, yun lang ang kagandahan. But anyway, mabalik tayo sa Coast Residences. So yung Coast Residences, kailan nyo nakuha yun, Sir Tommy, Ma'am Grace?
We started 2017.
2017. So yung nakuha nyo ba, it's a pre-selling na condo?
Yes, that was the time you offered yung kabila.
Oo.
Anong mali?
Sure.
Shore is almost finished, completed, pero we opted to wait for the other building, which is yung Coast.
Yung Coast.
Para kasi pre-selling and pasok pa sa budget.
At that time, nakuha mo lang siya mga less than 3 million or exactly 3 million, no?
Yeah.
Mga 3.1.
So, non-bat pa siya. So, kumbaga, perfect timing yung pagkakakuha nyo, no? Perfect timing. So, paano yung nakilala yung agent pala? Which is ako. Paano yung nakilala?
Sa Facebook na feed yung SMDC advertisement.
Oo.
So, ikaw yata may hawak ng
International
profile na yun.
Yes.
So, nag-message lang ako din. Hanggang sa nag-usap na tayo PM, Messenger.
Set up ng meeting.
and meet up.
Exactly. Tapos, tamang-tama, nandito ka pala sa Dubai noon.
Right.
So, nag-meet up kami sa'yo.
Personally, na-explain mo personally yung details and cons and pros no owning a unit with SMDC.
One meeting din, okay na. Nag-reserve na.
So, buti naman nagtiwala kayo sa akin in just one meeting. Actually, tama yun, no? Na nakita lang nila sa Facebook ng advertisement. Then, set up a meeting sa Max sa Burjuman. Then, ayun, luckily, with the presentation, no hard selling, nakuha sila. Then, ayun, and luckily, tuloy-tuloy lang yung naging investment yung paghuhulog nyo.
Correct.
Kamusta yung paghuhulog? Di ba kayo nahirapan in terms of monthly payments with SMDC?
In terms of hulog is talagang binudget. Binudget namin talaga. So, talagang tight din sa spending or on dun sa paghulog dun sa sa monthly.
Sa monthly. So kumbaga natsaga yung dalawang mag-asawa, no? Sinabay sa mga other spending, no? So meron ako isang question dito, or I mean couple of question. Ano yung mga reason and factors why naisipan niyo mag-invest into real estate or dito sa condominium?
During that time din, kasi marami yung time na yun, maraming mga forms of para ka mag-invest. One of them is yung stocks, bonds, and properties. So we opted property.
Well, of course, nung napili nyo nga, bakit pala why SMDC and why Coast West Invest? Bakit nag-trust kayo with SMDC instantly?
That's a difficult question, pero to be honest, SMDC kasi may established, saka may track record na rin na pinapakita na trusted.
Nung time na nakikita ko siya sa Facebook, sikat eh.
Yes, sikat.
So parang sabi ko, maraming nag-i-invest, marami ako nakikita dun sa profile. So why not try SMDC? Actually, mga office mate ko, ibang developer sila, pero I wanted to be different.
Ikaw lang yung nag-SMDC at nag-trust with SMDC?
Yes, that time. Pero ngayon marami na rin sa kanila ang SMDC.
Nice. So marami na sa kanila ang nag-invest with SMDC. So then why Coast Residences?
Location-wise, good spot siya eh. Kasi in between Makati District, near to airport, or outskirts of Manila, or north of Manila. So maganda yung location.
So yun guys, no, from nanggaling na rin sa ating mga clients, number one talaga yung location and number one talaga yung developer.
Plus, pinaka-plus points niyan is yung sunset ng Manila Bay.
Yes, of course, yung Manila Bay sunset, yung magiging view mo forever, no? Yung nakuha nating unit at napili natin na na-recommend sa inyo is facing Manila Bay. Okay, good, right? Then, well, itakal na rin natin yung advantage ng pagbili sa pre-selling. Aside from mababa pa yung presyo niya, no? Ano yung naging advantage doon? Nahirapan ba kayo sa paghuhulog ng 10,000 monthly or 12,000 monthly?
No, budgeting lang talaga. Tsaka, mapaghahandaan mo siya kasi may time kang mag-ipon.
Not right away, hard cash yung, alam mo ilalabas mo. So, aside from budgeting, yung daily expenses mo, or yung what you need and what you want, magkakaroon ka ng foresight para makipon talaga.
Exactly. So, yun guys, no, very basic na din yung principle kapag mag-i-invest tayo. Kailangan mo lang alamin yung needs and wants, no? Correct. In order na makaipon ka or makapag-invest ka into something, siguro kung may hilig kang magkape everyday, medyo bawasan mo lang.
Kapag kasi meron ko pinabayaran, invest, nag-iisip tayo, invest na pinabayaran, ganito, may pinabayaran ko, itatabi mo.
Right. Parang ano ka, mas eager ka at mas ganado ka. Tama. Meron pa nga isang client na ang ginawa niya is pagkabili with SMDC, nag-part-time siya with SMDC. So nag-part-time siya with SMDC. If nakapag-refer siya ng client, he earned also commission, which is yung naging commissions niya, yun yung naging pang-monthly niya with SM. Diba? Which is now, I encourage Miss Grace and Sir Tommy to refer clients sa aking team. Diba? Which I think marirefer nyo because of very good experience. So meron tayong t-shirt giveaway dito. It's a Blanza Realty TV. Final question na lang guys. So thank you for staying sa aming video. Experience nyo, kamusta na experience nyo in dealing with my team Blanza Realty TV? Maging maganda ba experience nyo with dealing sa akin and sa aming team?
From the start, yung first negotiation, or yung presentation, maganda naman, everything was smooth. Pati yung after sales, meron kami kailangan na i-clarify or problema sa ibang unit, natatanong din namin kay Will or sa ibang situation din na kung ano yung growth ng or problems ng real estate. He provides insights. And now, para doon sa ano naman, almost turnover na, siya na rin, we trusted him to do our interior.
Yun. So yun guys, coming from my client, na yung trabaho talaga namin as my team and even ako, from start to finish, we help the clients from the reservation, assistance sa mga monthly payments, mga documentation, sa turnover, and even nga sa interior and rentals. We give our assistance. Kaya yun, if you want to invest pa with SMDC,
Blanza Realty.
yan. So you know the person to call or the person to inquire to, my team, Blanza Realty TV, and also si Ma'am Blaze and Sir Tommy is now my marketing partner dito sa UAE. So if may mga friends kayo na might interested also, they are also here lang din, no? And kami dito sa UAE, yearly we visit UAE, you know. So yun guys, yun lang. Thank you for staying and watching the video. Maraming salamat. Please don't forget to subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Sir, mayroon ka bang babatiin sa Pilipinas? Maraming nunod sa atin.
Mga tropa tips.
Ayun. Okay, so yun lang guys.
Invest na sa SMDC.
Yan, invest with SMDC. So guys, thank you so much. Bye.